Hi guys! Today we're teaching Air by Yeji. This is a step-by-step tutorial with no music. We will show each move slowly, then with counting. Chapter timeline will be in the description, and you can try with slow music by following our shorts at 60%, 80%, or 100% speed. Let's get started!
First, arms go right, left, right, left, right, left, and then go up. Okay, one more time. Your right arm go in, in, out, out, in, up. Okay, try with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then when you do the 8, you bend your knees a little bit. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then next move, going to jump out your legs. Your hands go cross. And then you drop down your left arm. Right arm go still on the top, and the chest go out. And then rolling your head. And then change balance to your right side, and arms go right. And then change your balance to left, right. Your hip going to left and then right. Then both arms going to go left. And then switch to the right. And then right arm start from up, lean up to hands cross, and then legs close, arms like this. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 with counting. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 5, 6. Right arm lean up. 7, 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then your hands going to right hands point to down. At the same time, your head looking forward. And then your switch to your left hands. And then your balance going up a little bit. And then left leg go drop down. And then both arms go drop. And then go double times of your pop in, go in, and then rolling your hip from left side to back to right. So like this, left, right. Okay, try one more time with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then change the both legs, jump together, arms like hands, fingers to finger. And then change your balance from left to right, hip going to left and right, and then change arms direction during the same time. Hands open, close, open. Okay, try one more time. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, ta, ta. And then step on your left leg, flip your right hand, then go open arms, go down, and then step your left leg back with hands, and with hands. Okay, one more time. After you go this, go 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this 8, and then step on our right leg, hip going to the right side. Go 1. And then with steps, when you do the steps, your hands go back and left. Then come back, hands repeat the beginning moves. 1 and 2 and 3 and up. And then finish. Okay, try one more time with counting. 8, go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. Okay, one more time. 1, 2 and 3, 4, go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1.
Great job for finishing this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you like to learn in the comment. See you next dance!